Kofiatu Waduha Wanonso Tia Tom
the classmate for us at the Saturday, every man, and I'm Saturday,
Bema, Kofiatu, I'm a home, I was up in Poya from this year. Yeah, I'm trying to point your channel, Sammy, I got better ball, and my brother. So, Obasama, okay. Sabre, Yakusua.
I just AKA beat down.
AKA
Kofiatu. I'm a combination from Crown.
That's what to us. I want to go. Would you have known?
Yeah, I can't about Wariosi. So young Katia from Quantadia. Young Katia Pony and Wariosi. Again, Kofiatu. DJ, young guy.
DJ, I'm charging you. I'm going to pass my.
Kwande Choba mwase na ya kolege nua ba afi na baba ya bo na be twankan kuma me wa na ya so aba oni mama kalemu baba tia nana pacho momrai mama kalifa wo tia nana kwande me hu sa no ya ha ya nua ba ma aja ko no na atia abatra wayosi what they have got you, and what they have from you know, how much I have for my treasure, play Ghana for any part. And was a DJ, just my name. I don't know Kumagua, Pia, Uba, Salet, yes.